Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we are going to start our next unit of countdown. Unit number 2, numbers. Place value numbers up to 20. Part 1 is write the missing numbers. Here you can see a box, and in the box here are some pencils. Let's count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's mean one box hold 10 pencils. Then 10 is equal to 1. And you can see that there is no any other pencils, so 1, 10 and 0 ones. So the part A is here a box, and as we know that one box holds 10 pencils, and here you can see that a separate single pencil, so 1 tens and 1 ones, 1 tens, 1 ones. B part is, as we know that one box holds 10 pencils, so there are 2 other pencils that are not present in the box, so 1 tens, 2 ones, 1 tens, 2 ones. So this one shows the ones and this one shows the tens. Just like that, the other are some questions for you. You will solve these questions by yourself. Write the missing numbers. Here you can see that one box and some extra pencils. Here are some boxes that are blank, and you will write the missing number in these boxes. So you can see one box hold 10 pencils, so 1 tens. And here are some other pencils. Let's count with me. How many pencils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see that 1 tens and 7 ones. So the tens are written here, and then we'll write 7 here, and then the answer will be 1, 7. 1 tens, 7 ones. The answer will be like that. 1, 10 and 7 ones. Same in the next statement is, here is one box, it's mean 10 pencils and 1 10. And here are some other pencils. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 plus 8, 1, 8, 18. So you can see that 1 10, 1 10 and 8 ones. You will solve the other by yourself. Now moving towards part 3, write these numbers in the tens and ones. One has been done for you. You can see that there are 2 numbers. You will write there 10 and 1. So 1 10, 1 1. 1 10, 4 ones. 1 10, 3 ones. Just like that you will solve the others. The value on the right side will be count in ones, and the value on the left side will be count in the 10. Just like that you will solve the owl. Opposite to the part 3, here is 4 part for you. Write the number that is. As you can see that 1 10, 2 ones is equal to 1, 2 and 12. You can see that the number on the right side counts in ones, and the number on the left side is counts in tens. Just like that, 1 10, 5 ones is equal to 1 5. Part 5 is write in words and in figures. One has been done for you. So you can see that 110 and 1 is equal to 11. Then you will write it in the word and also in the figure. These are the figures and these are the words. Just like that, 1 8, 18 and 1 8. Moving towards page number 19, this is an abacus. It has two rods. You can see the two rods. The rod on the left is for tens. You can see that this is the left side and this is for tens, and the other rod on the right is for ones, and the rod on the right side is for ones. Now Rida adds beads to the abacus. You can see the beads here on the rods. There is one bead on the 10th rod. You can see the one bead on the 10th rod, and there are 4 beads on the ones rod, and you can see that 1 2 3 4 beads on the ones rod. This abacus shows 1 10 and 4 ones. That makes 14. You can see that 1 tens is equal to 10 and 4 ones. You can see that is equal to 14. Now let's solve these questions. What number does the abacus show? Write in the box. You can see that here are 2 rods and there are some beads on the rod. On the 10 side it is only 1 10, and on the one sides here are 1 2 3 4 5 6 beads, and it makes 16. It makes 16. Just like that, 1 on the 10 side and 2 beads on the one side makes 12. You will solve the other in the same method by yourself. Now moving towards page number 20, write the number name in the box. The abacus will help you. As you have learned how to solve the abacus, now you will write the number here and the number in word. Just like that, 1 tens, 1 2 3. 3 ones makes 13. So you will write it in the word 13. Just like that, 2 tens. You can see here 2 beads on the 10th side. So 2 tens and 0 ones make 20. So you can see that it makes 20. The other you will solve in the same method. Now moving towards part A, draw beads on the abacus to show the numbers. One has been done for you. As in the previous parts we didn't learn how to draw the beads. Now in this we learn to draw the beads. Just like that, here is a number for you, 1 4 14. It's mean 1 tens, 4 ones makes 14. So we'll draw 1 bead on the 10 side and 4 beads on the 1 sides. Just like that, 1 5 makes 15. So we will draw 1 bead on the 10 sides and 5 beads on the 1 side. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So it's make 15. So you will learn this by yourself and you will also solve all the questions